Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to determine what volume label is necessary when you're accessing a hard drive on your Windows computer, and you may be opening up a Windows application or a command prompt and it's asking you to enter the volume label for drive C, perhaps, which is the Windows drive in most cases, but it could be for a different drive letter as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into how to actually determine what the volume label is in question. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in CMD, best match to come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. So all you have to do is type in VOL space and then type in the drive letter. So in our case, it's going to be the C drive and then a colon, and then hit enter. So it'll tell you what the label is. In our case, it doesn't have anything, but it'll list out if it's like the Windows drive or recovery drive or perhaps a different drive should be listed here as well. So if you have multiple labels, they should list them all out in order here. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.